Hello, everyone. I just wanted to get on real quick so that I could do the orientation for you for your WordPress website so that you'd have it already recorded so that you would become familiar with how to manage the back ends of your WordPress website and you could remix it and re-watch it every time you like. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is log into the back end of your panel of your WordPress website as such. Okay. And what you're going to do is notice that this is your back panel. Okay. So this is where all the magic happens. It's usually a dark color gray, but I've changed my color to make it right. To make it red, and which is right because I'm a Delta. Okay, so these are going to be your analytics if you have your SEO, your performance, and just give you like a dashboard. Updraft Plus is my backup drive. This is where all the magic happens. It's right here on the side. Now, I have videos for you to watch that where I orient you to the website, the back end. And I'm going to give you those links as well, but I did want to give you a fresh look. So this is your home. These are where your updates are. As you can see, I have 22 updates. So if you click this, your dashboard will take you to where your updates are, okay? Mine is still working, as you can see from here. So here are all the updates, and they're all plugins, okay? So what I can do is, let me just make sure that I'm not updating my theme. You never, ever want to update your theme, okay? All right, so I'm gonna select all, and I'm gonna update my plugins because they need to be updated. So now they're gonna start updating. Newspaper is the theme for this particular WordPress website. Whatever theme package that you've purchased, if it's an add-on theme, it's going to have its own slide out bar, and that's where you're going to be able to control your theme management. So there are plugins that are just unique to the newspaper theme. Their demos, their support, system status, and then the theme panel. So the theme panel for this theme is actually different from this entire WordPress panel. So if you click on this, then you go into your themes panel. But this is custom to the theme that I have. If you, again, have upgraded to a high-end theme, then you will have your own theme panel as well. So I'm not going to go over that because this is really about the basic WordPress. Here are the posts. See where this little push pin is? The posts. Post means your blog posts. And then see how it extends out? You have your own extension bar. So here, if I click here, that's all posts. So these are all of my posts. I have 1,067 posts. Okay. Oh no, actually I have 1,118 posts. And I have 38 that are pending. And that means they've been scheduled to post, but they haven't been posted yet. If I want to add a new blog post, I'm going to click Add New. And I'm going to just start with my title. And you can look at the other video that shows you how to manipulate and edit your title. This is where you're going to copy and paste your text from your Word document. This is going to be the excerpt. And of course, I am the author, but I have other authors. These are all my other authors because this is my magazine WordPress site. This is where you can allow comments or allow trackbacks and pingbacks, which I do. That means people can ping to my story, but I don't allow comments because there are too many posts. Here is where you set the featured image. Here is where you set the featured video. Here's where you do your tags, and you can choose from your most used tags because it automatically keeps a record of them. And these are my categories that have already been established. I will choose the category, whichever category you choose first, that is the primary, and then anything after that is the secondary. Here are my most used tags, which are a subset of all of these tags. And then if my format is just a standard blog, then this push pen here, I would select that. If it's a video blog, then I would click this because it's a video that I'm loading. And then I want to save the draft, okay? I always save my draft before I publish so that I can preview it and see what it looks like. And then the visibility will be public and published immediately if you click this button that says publish, okay? What you want to do is make sure that all of your grammar is correct, your spelling. This is where you can manipulate the content of your blog. So if you click this drop down, it'll show you the text. You can do a heading text or a paragraph text. The bold, italics, bullet points, lists, quotes, your justifications. This is your links when you want to insert a link into text. Okay, insert a read more tag if you want to continue it somewhere else. Okay, ignore the short codes because you don't want to do short codes. And then here's where you strike through the letters. Your text colors are here. And then your background colors are here if you want to highlight something. And then these are special characters. This is your undo. This is your redo. And these are shortcuts, which you don't need. Okay. Then you have your categories right here. You can add new categories and put them under a primary category that as the parent, which these are all of my categories. I have a lot. You can write your descriptions. As you can see here, these are the categories. They would move on this side. I have 2 pages of categories and they all have descriptions. You want them to have descriptions because that is how you will begin to rank on your meta descriptions. Remember, we talk about that all the time. The next thing is your media files. These are your media files. You have a library. These are all my library pictures of my media files. These are all. Here are images. Okay, these would be my images. Then I have audio files. There are no audio files. Video files. There are no video. Unattached files. Okay. Then I can do date and I can list them like this. I can list them in a grid. This is where I add a new file. I can drop them here or I can select them from my computer. Okay. Then these are the pages. These are the pages of your actual website, your home page, your contact us page, your terms and conditions page, your register page, your privacy policy. Okay, so these are the pages to my website. And this is a fixed page that you would create. Here's the About Us page. Let me just show you what this looks like. And this is what it looks like, okay? But I'm in the process of updating my plugins. So that's not, you're gonna see all of the codes. Here's where you moderate your comments. See, these are all comments. This means I have a comment. This means I have a comment. This means there's a comment and I can view the post. I can unapprove it. I can reply. I can mark it as spam. I can put it in trash. Okay. So these are all the comments. These are my appearance. So never go into the themes unless you're customizing the theme you have. This is your plugins where you can search for plugins and get all your plugins that you want. And you want to activate. See, this is not activated. This is not activated. This is not activated. Okay. You keep the ones activated that you want to activate. There's inactive. I have 38 plugins and it's saying 38 are inactive. So we need to activate this. That's my, oh, wow. I have to call them. They must be, oh, you know what? It's on my credit card that got stolen. So I have to change that. Let me see something. Okay, so activate that. Activate that. I don't know what's going on. This is where you have your users. And that's it. Okay.